Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a JavaScript file, how to create an HTML file, as well as how to create a CSS file. So the first step is to open up VS Code. So after you've opened VS Code, you then want to open a folder within VS Code. So whenever starting a project, one of the best approaches is to open a folder in VS Code because that creates a workspace. And on the desktop I have this folder called projects, so I'll open that within VS Code by double clicking on it and then saying select folder, and then you can see that I am now in the projects folder. So I click yes, and then I click this button over here that says new file, and every JavaScript file will have a file name. Let's call this one example. And importantly, we have to end the file name with a .js extension to ensure that it is recognized as a JavaScript file. And once that is done, you can then write any valid JavaScript code inside this file. To create an HTML file, process is similar. Because we are still in this projects folder, we can click the icon again, and let's call this one index. And then importantly, for every HTML file, we want to end the file name with .html, and then we'll see this icon which indicates it's an HTML file, and then we can write any valid HTML in here. So let's just add the default or boilerplate HTML by pressing shift and the exclamation. Then we can use this emit abbreviation, which just gives us this boilerplate HTML. And then for a CSS file, we can call the file name styles, and all CSS files end with the .css extension. And then we can write any valid CSS inside this file. Like so. For any of the CSS to be effective, we would then have to add it to our HTML file, and then also add the JavaScript file to our HTML file, but that we'll cover in the next video. So this has just been an introduction to show you how to create a JavaScript file, an HTML file, and a CSS file. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.